Hey everyone, welcome back into our Wednesday night newscast. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. And a little cloudy today. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. And we're looking at the clouds to continue right on into the weekend. No precipitation in the forecast. Maybe a few flurries tomorrow, and that's about it. But temperatures slowly warming into the weekend. We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Here's our photograph for tonight. This one's sent in by Sherry Hilton. A nice picture of the sunset at the Botel. A nice looking right on down the Chena River there. And nice colors. And as always, if you have a photograph to send, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com and we'll share it with the rest of the audience. Here's our numbers as far as our almanac goes. Right now, we're looking at 32 for the high, and that's our current temperature. The low last night, 26. The record high, right around 59 degrees in 1969, but 15 below. That's cold. 1907. Sunrise this morning, 8:48. Sunsets this evening at 6:25, giving us 9 hours and 37 minutes of daylight, a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. Our satellite and radar showing a little bit of cloudiness coming in from the west, but it's not going to make it in here. High pressure is still very dominant, keeping all the systems down to the south, although we are looking at a lot of rain falling across the southeastern sections of the state. In fact, our latest map shows that rain. As you can see, we are raining at Ketchikan, raining at Juneau, even raining at Kodiak, but sunshine around the Anchorage Bowl. On the Aleutian Chain, it's cloudy skies at Cold Bay, a little bit of sunshine up and down the west coast, where it was 32 degrees for the high today in Nome, 26 and cloudy skies at Barrow. Lower 48 weather, we'll start on the Pacific Northwest and show you that we're looking at the rain has stopped over the Seattle area. 61 degrees there. Another beautiful day in San Francisco, 76 there. Warm for Las Vegas and Phoenix, and warming up at Denver, 83 degrees. Also warming up at Dallas, 83. A little chilly around St. Louis, 58 degrees. Some showers over the northeast around New York, but still 78. And 78 at New Orleans with mainly sunshine. And as far as our satellite and radar, there's the last part of that frontal system that caused all the havoc across the deep south, moving rapidly out over the Atlantic Ocean and coming in from the northwest. We're looking at, once again, another storm system to talk about. Last night I talked about the hurricane potential for Hawaii. Well, it looks like there's good news to pass along. It looks like now the hurricane is going to veer to the northwest, but still the Big Island is going to catch it, and also Kauai is going to catch it with some tropical storm force winds and heavy rainfall, but not nearly as bad as it was looking last night, so things are looking a lot better for the folks in Hawaii. And our jet stream for this weekend is calling once again for a dip, bringing cooler air all the way down to the Ohio Valley, with more rain moving across the Pacific Northwest, and yes, more dry conditions over the western half of the country. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. The northern sections looking at snow and freezing drizzle in the Barrow area. Isn't that lovely? Cloudy skies with flurries at Nome and also in the Fort Yukon area. Over the south, I should say over the interior, mostly cloudy skies with occasional flurries across the region. And then also over southeast Alaska, the rain will continue. Showers at Juneau, just plain rain in Ketchikan. And over to the southwest, it looks like for the most part cloudy skies at Bethel with showers at Cold Bay and partly cloudy skies at Kodiak. And if you're heading on down the Anchorage area, not too bad. In fact, a few showers at Homer, cloudy skies at Anchorage, and rain and snow in the Valdez area. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. And this week we're talking with the kids from Crawford Elementary School. Here's a young lady with a very nice picture to share with us.
Hi, my name's Leilani, and I'm in Miss Van Flutteren's 5th grade class in Crawford Elementary. I drew this picture because this is what I kind of did when it snowed. Yeah.
Those are nice snowmen, Leilani, and tomorrow night we're going to be having a couple of girls teaming up to ask a weather question of me. That'll be interesting, and as always, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our weather. And like I said, we'll look forward to that question from those young ladies tomorrow night. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Overnight low about 22 degrees with, again, some occasional snow flurries. Tomorrow's forecast, not nearly as warm as today, 33 for the high, right about, well, actually what it was today, around 32. So 33 degrees for the high, and once again, some snow flurries possible. And the 5-day outlook, as you can see, we're going to just kind of mellow out to about 30 degrees right across the board for daytime highs. Overnight lows dropping down to the teens, but once again, no snow in the forecast, so we're going to be looking at mainly just cloudy skies right on through the weekend into the first part of next week.